Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the secrets of refined style and confidence. Today, we're focusing on a wardrobe staple that can make or break your look: jeans. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect pair or feel like your denim choices aren't as polished as they could be, this video is for you. We're going to talk about 3 essential jeans your wardrobe needs and, more importantly, how to style them for a chic and elevated look. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to build a wardrobe with denim that enhances your style. Number 1. Straight-leg jeans. First on the list is straight-leg jeans, a staple that blends modern style with classic appeal. They create a balanced silhouette, elongating the legs without feeling overly tight or bulky. What sets straight-leg jeans apart? Unlike skinny jeans, which can sometimes look outdated, or baggy jeans, which lack structure, straight-leg denim provides a clean and polished finish. They offer a structured yet relaxed look, making them a must-have for a well-balanced wardrobe. Whether you prefer a darker wash for a more refined touch, a lighter wash for a laid-back vibe, or even a crisp white pair for a fresh and elegant feel, straight-leg jeans remain a versatile essential. Straight-leg jeans pair effortlessly with a variety of footwear choices. For a refined and effortless daytime look, style them with classic loafers or chic ballet flats. These shoe options enhance the structured yet relaxed aesthetic of straight-leg jeans, keeping the outfit polished and sophisticated without sacrificing comfort. For a classic and refined look, pair dark wash straight-leg jeans with a beige cardigan layered over a white tank top. Complete the outfit with beige ballet flats and a coordinating handbag for a seamless, sophisticated finish. To enhance the look, add a delicate gold necklace, bringing a subtle touch of elegance. For a more structured and modern take, opt for light blue straight-leg jeans, styled with a black t-shirt and a brown suede jacket. Elevate the outfit with black classic loafers and define the waist with a black belt featuring gold accents. Finish off the ensemble with black structured sunglasses, a sleek black tote bag, and a set of gold rings, adding a refined yet contemporary touch. Number 2. Flare leg jeans. A style that is making a strong comeback. Flare jeans are incredibly flattering as the widening hemline balances proportions, making the legs appear longer and the waist more defined. One of the greatest strengths of flared denim is that it enhances body shape without feeling overly trendy. They offer a graceful, elongated look that works well in both casual and more polished outfits. The slight vintage feel adds character while still blending beautifully with contemporary fashion. However, be mindful of excessively wide flare cuts that dramatically expand towards the bottom. These overly exaggerated styles can look outdated and may overwhelm your silhouette rather than enhance it. Opting for a moderate flare keeps the look balanced and refined. For those looking for a sophisticated denim choice, flare jeans are the answer. They pair exceptionally well with heeled shoes, whether ankle boots, block heels, or classic pumps, all of which further elongate the legs. If you prefer a more grounded look, classic loafers or Mary Jane shoes complement flare jeans beautifully while maintaining a polished yet effortless feel. For a classic and refined look, style a structured black blazer over a white t-shirt, pairing it with dark wash flare jeans for a sleek silhouette. Define the waist with a black belt and complete the outfit with black-heeled ankle boots for an elongated effect. A black handbag adds cohesion to the ensemble, while a gold watch and vintage gold earrings bring a sophisticated finishing touch. For a fresh, spring-inspired outfit, opt for a light blue button-up shirt tucked into light wash flare jeans. For an added layer, throw on a trench coat, keeping the look polished yet relaxed. Cinch the waist with a thin brown belt and complement the outfit with brown loafers and a matching brown handbag. Finish off the look with sunglasses and gold earrings, adding a subtle yet refined touch to the overall ensemble. Number 3. Wide-leg jeans. The third must-have style is wide-leg jeans, a fashion-forward yet highly wearable alternative to traditional cuts. Unlike baggy jeans, which can feel too relaxed, wide-leg denim brings ease of movement while still looking polished and put together. One of the best reasons to embrace wide-leg jeans is their perfect balance of comfort and structure. They provide freedom without sacrificing shape, making them a great choice for those who want to look well-dressed without feeling restricted. High-waisted versions, in particular, offer a defined waistline that enhances the overall silhouette. What makes wide-leg jeans stand out is their ability to blend seamlessly into tailored looks. Whether paired with a sleek blouse, a cozy sweater, or a statement coat, they create a refined aesthetic that never feels overdone. If you want a pair of jeans that adds a modern touch without feeling overly trendy, wide-leg denim is the one to reach for. Another advantage of wide-leg jeans is their versatility in footwear choices. You can wear them with sneakers for a relaxed and casual look, but if you're aiming for a more refined and elongated silhouette, opt for heels or kitten heel shoes. A slight heel not only enhances the overall proportions, but also adds a more sophisticated and artistic touch to the outfit, ensuring that your look feels polished and well-balanced. For a sophisticated and structured look, style high-waisted wide-leg trousers with a fitted black vest, creating a sleek and tailored silhouette. Complete the outfit with black kitten heel shoes and a structured black handbag for a cohesive, polished appearance. Add black sunglasses, gold earrings, and a leather strap watch to enhance the refined aesthetic. For a chic and effortless ensemble, opt for white wide-leg jeans paired with a classic white t-shirt layered under a black and white striped button-up shirt for a relaxed yet put-together effect. Cinch the waist with a black belt to add definition, and elevate the look with beige block heels. Finish off with a woven straw bag and stylish sunglasses, bringing a touch of sophistication with a natural, airy feel. For an extra relaxed and everyday look, opt for a striped sweater paired with dark wash wide-leg jeans for a casual yet stylish vibe. Keep it comfortable with classic sneakers and define the waist with a thin belt for a subtle touch of structure. Complete the outfit with a black slouchy bag, adding a laid-back yet polished feel, and finish off with gold earrings and rings for a refined and well-curated detail. Now that we've covered the best jeans to invest in, let's talk about styles that often fall short when it comes to creating a polished and sophisticated outfit. These denim cuts may still be popular, but they often lack structure or don't enhance the body's natural shape. 1. Barrel jeans. This exaggerated cut tends to distort proportions rather than enhance them, making it difficult to create a balanced silhouette. They often add bulk where it's not needed. 2. Ripped jeans. While distressing can add character, excessive rips and frays make an outfit appear undone rather than polished. Clean-cut denim offers a much more elevated and refined look. 3. Skinny jeans. Once a wardrobe essential, skinny jeans have become less flattering compared to more structured styles. They can sometimes look outdated and limit styling possibilities. So there you have it, 3 perfect jeans your closet is missing and how to style them. Which style is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more style insights and fashion tips. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and always choose denim that makes you look and feel your best.